Tribal communities and forests share a profound and mutual dependency. For generations, they have lived in close connection with the forest, relying on it for livelihood, culture, and identity. Yet, forest laws have often failed to recognize their traditional rights and deep connection to the land. Koraput district in Odisha, nestled in the Eastern Ghats, is home to a large tribal population. Though dependent on forests, they lacked legal land rights, leading to conflicts. The Forest Rights Act 2006 aimed to correct this, but many still struggle to access their rights. In past, due to inadequate transportation facilities, these communities remain isolated from essential services like healthcare and education. Samahita project is a collaborative initiative of Ekta, Sadhana, SMRC and Handicap International, supported by the European Union. Samahita supported tribal communities in Koraput by forming inclusive village development committees, VDCs, ensuring participation of women, persons with disabilities, and other marginalized groups to address local challenges.
विशेषकर जो माने आदिवासी जो माने रही आमर कोरापुट जिले में से ग्रुप गुड़िक आगुरी थिला एवं से ग्रुप को लेकिन बहुत किसी काम होउथुला किंतु कोठी ना कोठी समाने प्रॉपर समानकर दक्षता वृद्धि करने दिगरे हो किंबा समानकर जो अधिकार रही जो राइट्स एंटाइटलमेंट रही सेगुड़िक समाने जानी नथिले भल से जानी नथिले बस ताको एक्सेस करि पारु नथिले एई प्रकल्पटी समानंको गोटे पाद आगु को नेइची।
Mathalamba is a remote tribal village at the foot of Deomali, the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. Located 13 kilometers from the Gram Panchayat and 73 kilometers from the district headquarters, it is home to 103 families. Most residents depend on agriculture and seasonal wage labor, making livelihoods uncertain and difficult.
आमे शाम तिला बेला सेटा बेसी असुविधा तिला गाड़ी मिशन आसुतिला रास्ता नथिलारु चाष बिल्कुल न होतिला एबे से लैंड डेवलपमेंट रो काटी काटी करगी बाड़ बनाई करी निजे चाष करू जंगल जमी पाटा नथिलारु सर से डंगर मार देलारु तीन जन को बांधी करी नैतिले।
Women also faced hardships accessing drinking water, often walking long distances to collect it.
सटी आने दिखाएगा बेसी कष्ट होती है अरे लुगा पता मिसा सटिया कर अरे पिला मन को मिसा सटिया कर दादा अरे बेसी असुविधा होती है।
To strengthen self-governance and ensure inclusive, community-led development.
BDC गठन करी आमे IFR पटा प्रथम रे आवेदन कलु मासे परे से माने जवाब देइतिले मासे परे हमको IFR पटा 71टा देले आम गाँव रे टोटल सर 103 परिवार अच्छु किंतु पठा IFR पठा पाइछु 102 सर।
आमर पटांगी ब्लॉक रो कोटिया पंचायत माथलाम गाँव रे ग्रामवासी जेतिकी आवेदन करथिले जंगल जमी पटा पई कम्युनिटी रो से गाँव रे 413 हेक्टर एवं IFR कहले व्यक्तिगत जंगल जमी कोटा से गाँव रे 148 एकरटा आमे प्रदान करिसे से गाँव रे
इंडिविजुअल रे 10 एकर दबा जे प्रोविजन अछि बट आमे 2 एकर लेखा देछु 2 एकर रु कम भी देछु कोन भाई लोक जमती जंगल को पट्टा पाइबा चक्कर रे जंगल टाको नष्ट न कर दियंतु जंगल केमती संरक्षण करिवे हमर से दिगरे हमर चेष्टा रही छि आगामी दिन आमे लोक मानको भी सचेतन कराउछु जे तमे अधिक रु अधिक गछ लगाओ आ परिवेश को जमती तमे माने गछ न काटी कि तमे तमर खेती बाड़ी करो चाष करो ता ऊपर हम लोकन को सुचाउछु।
They also succeeded in accessing benefits offered by government schemes. 7 farmers received land leveling support through MGNREGA. 17 farmers received subsidized water sprinklers from the horticulture department.
आम पाखरे पानी झरणा रे थिला किंतु से पानी को आमे केमती बाहर करी कि चाष जमी के बाहर करबा आनिबा से प्लान आम पाखरे न थिला କିନ୍ତୁ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଆଉ ନାଳ ଯାକ ଆଣିକିରି କରୁଥିଲେ ତଥାପି ଏ ସ୍ପ୍ରିଙ୍କଲର ପାଇପ୍ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆଉ ଦୂରର ପାଣିକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଆମର ଜମି ଚାଷ ଜାଗା ମଧ୍ୟକୁ ସେ ପାଇପ୍ ସହଯୋଗ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ଆଣିକରି ଚାଷବାସ କରି ସେଠି କିଛି ଆମେ ଦୁଇ ପଇସା ପାଇକରି ଜୀବନ ଜୀବିକା କରି ଆମେ ରୋଜଗାର କରୁଛୁ।
3 SHGs received 8,000 rupees each from ITDA for mushroom cultivation and 10 households received 66,000 rupees each through Magnrega for cattle sheds, strengthening rural livelihoods.
ଆମର ବିଡିସି ଗୋଟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯେଉଁ ଦିନଠୁ ଆମର ବିଡିସି ହେଲା ସେଠୁ ଆମର କ'ଣ ସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ସରକାରରେ ବୋର୍ଡ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲୁ ଆଉ ଅର ମାସର ବି ଆମେ ମହୁ ଚାଷ କରୁଥିଲୁ ଚାଷ କରୁଥିଲୁ।
In addition, the Deomali VDC manages the tourist gate with the support of district administration, ensuring eco-friendly tourism and banning plastic use. This has also generated income for the community. Following their advocacy, mobile tower has been successfully installed and is now operational, significantly improving communication in the area. Deomali VDC is a powerful example of how communities can lead their own change. With Samahita's support, they united, claimed their rights, and built the skills to improve their lives, showing the true strength of local leadership and collective action.